In this video, I will show you the best Forex broker with zero spreads and the lowest commission overall. Sounds crazy? Yes, it is. You have spreads from 0.0 pips and a commission from $2.25 per one lot trade. The minimum deposit here is only $100. I have tested over 50 different brokers and platforms, and this one is the cheapest. We will discuss this in detail. There's currently a promotion because the broker made a relaunch. You get 75 cents per lot in discount on all the commissions if you use the link in the description below or in the comments below on FP Trading. So overall, this is the cheapest one. I used the discount code myself. You see it here. I'm trading currently live the euro dollar, and here you see the spreads. They are around 0.0 pip spreads or 0.1 or 0.2. These are variable spreads, so they can variate a little bit. These are real spreads. It's not a market maker like the most of these brokers. It's real from the liquidity providers, and yeah, it's variable. If there's an event, huge volatility, the spread can change, but in normal market condition it's around 0.1 0.0 pips spread here in the euro dollar. So I also made this comparison here with the spreads to show you the most important currency pairs on this Forex broker, also Bitcoin and so on. Here you see the spreads. It's 0.0 pip spread in the euro dollar up to 0.1 around this. We have the US dollar, Japanese yen 0.5, but pay attention please, because this spread on the US dollar, Japanese yen is not from the main session. Currently there's no main session in the US dollar and even in the Japanese yen, so around this time it's 0.5. but if you go into the main session, yeah, you have more volume, the spreads gets lower around 0.2 or 0.1 in the US dollar, Japanese yen. You see the Australian dollar, here you have 0.1 pip spread, pound US dollar 0.1, 0.2 pip spread, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, this also is right now a little bit higher because there's no main session, 0.7. New Zealand dollar 0.2. We have euro pound in the main session 0.0 pip spread or 0.1 pip spread. We have gold here. You see the spreads here in points, 0.07 points, or the silver market, it's super low in this broker, 0.04 points, or even Bitcoin $50. So Bitcoin, this is the cheapest overall in CFDs here. If you want to trade with a Forex broker, $50 spread in Bitcoin, this is super low. I show you the real market spreads right now here in my live account. I tested this broker in detail. Let's switch to this. Here you go in the Bitcoin, it's around $50. So show me another broker which is cheaper, which offer these spreads in the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 or TradingView, which is cheaper. Crazy. You can start with this broker for free. The link is in the description below, and you get there your discount because normally they have the commissions on $3. I show you that in the different account types here. Normally it's $3 commission per side, per lot, per $100,000 volume, but we can give you the discount of 75 cents, so you are around $2.25. This is super cheap with a minimum deposit of only $100. So show me a cheaper broker. There is no one. You get the tightest spreads here. I tested the spreads in detail, and I can tell you, you can trade with no problem with a $5 market order and you get no slippage. If you trade 20 lots per market, you can get a slippage. This is normal with all the brokers out there. But if you stay in regular volume, 5 lots, 1 lot, you get no slippage and you profit from these tight spreads. It's really crazy. Let me show you more about this broker. This broker, it's a rebrand from the FP Markets LLC, so they rebranded to FP Trading. It's a new project here, but the conditions are similar. We have high leverage, we have ECN pricing, the low commissions. Definitely choose here the raw account is my recommendation. As always, very important to get the lowest spreads. There are no restriction on automated trading on VPS or on bots or something. You can trade all the strategies you want here, even HFT trading. And as you see here on the main page, they got the liquidity providers here, real market execution. They got platforms, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, even TradingView is available on this broker here. They are 4 times regulated. As I know, they will put up more regulators here in the future, and they got different payment methods like credit cards, bank, wire, you got your crypto deposits and withdrawals here. And in addition to that, they got a 1 million insurance protection with Lloyd's and the Financial Commission regulator, an independent regulator where you are also safe up to 20k per account. So overall, they have a good insurance, good regulations and super tight spreads. Please show me another broker which is better regulated, which is cheaper. It's not existing from my experience in over 10 years of trading. Yeah, I tested thousands of Forex brokers and this one is definitely the cheapest one. Here you see I'm trading here in live account myself, currently on the euro dollar. Here I'm going long and I'm trading this with a volume of 5 lots, which is totally normal for me here, and I'm paying this low commissions and the low spreads. Let me show you again the spreads, please, because you should trust it. And yeah, we will go through it in this live account. The spreads here, you saw it again here on the euro dollar, 0.0 pips spreads. We can switch to, let me show you gold here. We are around 0.09, around this 0.07 pips spread. And we are not even in the main trading session, in the US trading session, and the spreads are super tight. Let me go to the pound US dollar, 0.0 pips spread. No problem at all. US dollar, Canadian dollar, a little bit higher spread, but the main session is not here yet. New Zealand, US dollar, super tight spread, 0.1. Okay, no problem at all. US dollar, Japanese yen, we are at 0.2 right now. As I noted, the spreads are variable. As I did this table here, we were at 0.5. So we are coming to the main session right now and we're getting lower and lower. So tight spreads here. Euro, Japanese yen, check out this. Around 0.3. Yeah. And the euro pound, this is also super tight, 0.0 pip spreads. Amazing. Euro, Swiss franc, you see it here, we are around 0.2. So overall, the spreads are super low. But if you go to this exotic pairs like, let's use this New Zealand, Singapore dollar, it gets a little bit higher. Or the Polish currency, here you have higher spread. Or you can even trade the currency of Thailand. This is the Thai baht here. You see how the market is moving. This is a very exotic pair. Here you have a higher spread, but even the Thailand currency, the Thai baht currency is super low here. If you check this Euro Mexican, the Mexican currency here, Mexican peso, we are around some pips. Let me check this out for you. Here, let me open this one. Here you see the spreads. Yeah, they're a bit higher, but this is ultra exotic. The most of you, they don't trade exotics. I'm thinking not, but the main currency pairs, they are super tight here. And if you want to trade indices or some other assets here like oil, they are super tight here. Let's check out oil. We are at 0.01 around this. 1.5 around this. It's super tight and no problem with this broker. Check it out. I will link you the link in the description below to this broker to get the discount of 75 cents on all the commissions in Forex. So you are at the cheapest broker with the best leverage, the tightest spreads, all platforms are available. This is the best offer for traders right now on the market. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.